Hello, in this quick video we will take a look at the columns in Word. Now columns in Word can be rather tricky, but basically you need to know when to actually select how many columns you want and what breaks to use. So let's just start with a simple line here. Let's say uh, column 1. Let's do column 1 with one column like that. So this will be just one column. This line basically will be one column, or you could say this row will have one column, right? And then what you might do, you might click enter and you would go to the next line, but that's not how you do it if you want the next line, the next row to have perhaps several columns, perhaps two, perhaps three. What you do instead, you just stay there, you stay on that paragraph, that line, and you go to layout, and then you go to breaks. Okay, you go to breaks, and then you choose continuous, not the column. The column break will be between different columns. It will not go to a sort of next selection, so to speak. We go to continuous, and then we jump to the next line here, the next row we can call it, right? And now we can choose the number of columns that we want. So let's say we want 3. Okay, we want 3 columns like that, and that's what we will have. Let's do col 1, and to shift to the next column, you click Control Shift Enter like that, and you jump to the next column right away. Now you could try double clicking on them, but that can sort of mess up stuff, so it's best to just use that little combination and you'll be good to go. So let's do col 2, perfect, and we can jump again to the next one, and let's do col 3, works perfectly. Now if I go to the next line like that, we are working on the same column, we don't want that, but if you then later want to go back to one column, then once again you go to breaks, layout, breaks, then you do continuous, okay, continuous, and now we can choose, say, one column like that. And that will be one little column, which I can quickly demonstrate just with one little word. This is like that. Okay, let's just do it like that so that we don't copy into the next line. But as you can see, this is indeed one line, one column. In this particular row, we have 3 columns. So that's how you can differentiate them like that. But just remember, you choose the column size here from columns, and then you use continuous. Section breaks, continuous, not the column. That may confuse you, it does happen quite often, but you use continuous to select to go to a different type of column. This is useful when pasting tables from Excel, and for many other reasons columns are useful, and I hope this video explained it to you quite well.